My faceless Instagram accounts have generated over $100,000 in passive income. I started building Instagram accounts 4 years ago knowing almost nothing, and now have turned this into a profitable business that almost runs entirely on auto. If you follow the My Steps and mostly fun one that I share with you today, there is no question in my mind that you'll have similar results and profits if you start today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Start an Instagram account focused on something you're passionate about. Since you'll be spending a significant amount of time creating content on this topic, it's crucial that it genuinely interests you. If not, you might find yourself losing motivation. I've successfully grown accounts in niches like travel, sports, health, and fitness, proving that there's an audience for almost anything these days.
Step 2. Download the apps you'll need to manage your account. For video editing, you'll need a reliable editor, and for creating posts, a simple design app. If you're a student, you can get the Adobe Creative Cloud for under $15 per month. This includes Adobe Premiere Pro and gives you access to Photoshop and Illustrator. But if you're looking for the easiest budget options, then CapCut is great for video editing, and Canva is great for creating designs. In fact, I personally just used Canva to grow my first ever account to over 1.5 million followers. Step 3. It's time to start making posts, but to do this effectively, we need to understand how the Instagram algorithm works today. If you want to go viral and grow quickly, here's a little secret. Likes don't matter as much anymore. Instead, focus on these 3 key factors. Watch time, how long someone spends viewing your content, saves, how many times viewers save your content, and shares, how often viewers share your content to their story or send it to a friend. By targeting these metrics, you can boost your visibility and growth on Instagram. According to information I found online, the typical time spent looking at a post on Instagram is between 3 and 5 seconds. This shows that people don't usually stay long. For saves, it's about 5 saves per 1,000 impressions, and for shares, it's about 2 shares per 1,000 impressions. Consider this, the average Instagram post gets 3 seconds of attention. But my most viral posts far exceeded these norms, sometimes even by 10 times. What does this mean for you? While creating your clips and posts, leverage what works to maximize your reach. Let's start creating some viral posts. First, I'll show you how to create simple posts using Canva. Suppose your channel is about motivation. In Canva, create a bold, eye-catching first slide to stop viewers in their tracks. We call this the hook. Next, use ChatGPT to generate 7 motivational quotes about success. You can get specific, like quotes from famous athletes if your page is sports-themed. Copy and paste the quotes into your Canva slides and brand them with cool colors and relatable graphics. These kinds of posts often go viral, so you should see good results. Now, let's move on to creating viral reels. Since TikTok's rise, Instagram has been pushing reels to compete, creating a huge growth opportunity. So try experimenting with different reel ideas. Check what works best for you and follow that domain. I know one niche will work for you and you will make some extra side cash. If you want exact niche details, subscribe to my channel. I will cover this topic more in my YouTube channel.